How about those trophies? We made some of those trophies last year for our sales department, and they just loved them. So when Kevin gave us this opportunity, I said, I have just the trophy in mind. Before I get to my speech, we have somebody in the audience that needs to come up and get their AARP card. Is there a Alan Thrasher around?
Yeah!
Just kidding, Alan, you don't need to come up, but I really want to wish you a happy birthday, so happy birthday, Alan. That'll be the last buses we sell him after the big. Kevin, you know how happy my father and grandfather would be right now watching us up here. Come a long way since he met me in 1978 when I was 2. When I started to write this speech, I wondered, how do you speak about the industry's unsung heroes? So I started looking up the definition on Google. A mechanic is a tradesman, a craftsman, a technician who uses tools to build or to repair machinery. Every single one of us in this room have a responsibility towards safety in this industry. I believe the safety starts in our mechanics' hands. Our mechanics are expected to have expensive tools costing thousands and thousands of dollars. Our mechanics are responsible for multiple pieces of machinery, 10 up to 25, depending on duty and age. Our mechanics are expected to keep up on state-of-the-art coaches, government regulations, just to name a few. Our mechanics find themselves available 24 hours a day alongside the highway with cars whizzing by them. Rain, sleet, below zero conditions won't stop this breed of an individual getting the job done. I'm sure every one of us has found ourselves alongside the highway. Take a minute to recall that breakdown. Remember what it felt like when the mechanic showed up? I'm saved. The mechanic is here. The unsung hero. I'd like to announce the 2018 Grand Champion, Dave Meyerhofer from Coguson Trailways in Wisconsin.